Hi there, this is Christy, and I wanted to show you. I'm an affiliate for Yatsia's Canva Templates, and they are her. I'm pretty sure they're her bestseller, and I make commissions from them very regularly, so I know people are buying them and loving them because I'm in her Facebook group as well. So if you thought about selling a planner on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon KDP, you'll want these templates right here. I was able to make some really cute printables super fast because these templates are already done for you in Canva. And then you just go in and like add your elements, add your images, and you can get those at Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, or the Hungry JPEG. And here's a guided tour of the course, which comes with the templates, which is really, really cool. Sticker templates, digital planner, video tutorials, 110 plus pages of editable printables, and they're really, really cute. This is how it works. You pick your favorite done for you planner template. I call it a pattern. And it's just a one-time payment. You customize it. You can put your own brand colors, fonts, and images. She's going to show you how to do that in some tutorials in the members area. And then you take those and you sell them on Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, KDP, or your own website. And you can create and sell as many products as you want because Yadsia includes a commercial license to do that. So you want to sell a planner, but you don't know where to start. You purchased Canva templates before, but you didn't know how to edit them. And she's going to show you how. She's a former teacher, so am I. So she's really, really good at taking you step by step through this. And there she goes, video tutorials to guide every step of the way, how to put the planner together, how to change the colors, how to get it ready to print, how to add your own branding, and how to resize the page to fit any planner. That's really cool. So here's what they look like. And I love it. I mean, that you can make them minimalistic or you can make them fancy smancy as much as you want to. But once you have like those basic calendar templates, you can make calendars every year to sell on Etsy, which are really hot sellers. See monthly planners, meal planners, exercise, my plan today. I think that was a fitness tracker. This is a personal planner. This planner belongs to, and they put their name in there. Project planner, monthly goals, weekly plans, all kinds of good stuff. So, yeah, have a planner ready today because you can take these templates and just, they will automatically load into your Canva account. You can have a free account and, do it that way. It will save you hours and hours and hours. And this is what's included. Price is subject to change. But if you get this through my affiliate link, you will also get I have 24 Canva to do printables, and this is what they look like right here. And they're loaded inside a Teachable, so you'll get a link inside your receipt to this bonus. So just sign up for a free teachable.com account if you don't already have one. And then you'll get a link to these free printables in Canva. There's one for every month. And then I thought I would change to this one, this template. And there's one for every month. And that's like 300 pins. So if you were to print them out for every day of the year, there's more. There's even more than that, right? So you can print them out. You can go to your local print shop and print them out so you don't use your own printer's ink. And these are so cool. You can actually laminate them because they're not dated. You could use them this year, next year, next year after that. And that's a free bonus that comes through my affiliate link if you get Yatsia's templates, which are super cute right here. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm going to put my email below this video, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.